How to trade gift card on Card Cosmic app. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Like this video and also share it for more people to see. Now let's get started. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download this application called Card Cosmic. You can see it, Card Cosmic. After you download it, open it, guys. You can see Card Cosmic. Download it. After you download it, open it, and it's going to look like this. Click on any option down here and it's going to show you this interface. Then you can see down here you don't have an account. Sign up. Click on sign up. Click on sign up and it's going to take you to this interface. You can see where it says name. Put your first name here. Put your functional Gmail here. Put your phone number here. Put your password here. Make sure your password, for example, make sure your password starts with capital letter. For example, Godwin. Hard number at the back and any symbol. Any symbol. Do you understand any symbol? And it will be successful. The next thing you are going to do is your referral code. You can see the referral code is optional, but if you use this referral code, they are going to give you a welcome bonus of 5,000 naira. And if you didn't use it, they will not give you a welcome bonus, and also they will not reward me. So I would say you should please use this invitation code right now. Put this invitation code to register, and after that you can see I agree to Card Cosmic terms and condition. Mark it like this, and after that click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to trade your gift card on Card Cosmic app and how to withdraw your money to your bank account, guys. Let me log in and we continue. I've logged in right now and this is my own account. Now to trade your gift card, this is what you are going to do. You can see withdraw, the withdrawal, and you can see sell now. Click on sell now and it's going to pop up like this. Do you understand right now? Then select the gift card you want to trade. Let's say, for example, let's say we want to trade Steam card, for example. Now you're going to select Steam card, for example, and let's say the balance of my gift card is $100. You select your own balance. Let's say the country of my gift card is USA. I'm going to select USA. And a physical card. Do you understand? It's a physical card. And a physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. And e-code is a gift card that someone purchased at on websites online. They are just going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Do you understand? So physical card is a common card. It's a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. The next thing you are going to do, guys, is to upload the image of your gift card. Click on this box and go to gallery. Click on gallery, then select the image of your gift card and upload it. Do you understand right now? And it's going to give you another box. That means if your gift card is 2, let's say it might be $50 each. So you select another box to select the second card. You understand right now? And the next thing you are going to do is to click on confirm. You understand? Down here, just click on confirm and it will be successful. But if you don't have the image of your gift card, don't panic. Just click on this code and write the code of your gift card. After you write the code of your gift card, click on confirm and it will say success in few seconds. Then go back here and go back to home and your money will be available on your balance like this. Do you understand right now? After that, the next thing is to withdraw your money to your bank account. Do you understand right now? Then click on me. You need to add your account first. Click on me. Then you can see bank account. Click on bank account. Then you can see add bank account. Click on add bank account. Select the bank we are using. Write your account number and write the name on your account number and click on submit. You can see my own account number is here. I've added it. So you click on submit. After that, it will be added successfully like this. Then go back to home. When you go back to home, you can see withdrawal. Click on withdrawal. Write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money, and if you want to withdraw everything, you are the owner of your money, guys. Then write the amount you want to withdraw and click on you can see down here, you can see where it says minimum withdrawal is 10,000 naira. It will show you confirm to withdraw. Then click on it and your money will deliver to your bank account in few minutes, guys. So this is how to trade gift card on Card Cosmic app. If you have any question, write in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and also share it for more people to see. One love, guy.